Dear students, welcome to my channel Raut Rai classes. आज आम आरंभ करवा फर्स्ट ईयर पाई मोशन चैप्टर। मोशन चैप्टर रे तुमको शिखेबी इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन रो डेरिवेशन इन कैलकुलस मेथड और एनालिटिकल मेथड और ये मैथमेटिकल मेथड। ओके, इटा स्टार्ट करिया पूर्व मु तुमको डेरिवेटिव शिखेची। वेलोसिटी is equal to rate of change of displacement, that is equal to your time rate, ताको आमे कहि परिबा ds by dt, that is equal to your derivative of displacement with respect to time. Acceleration कोन कहिची? Acceleration is equal to d by dt of velocity, that is equal to derivative of velocity with respect to time, that is rate of velocity with respect to time. तार्थ टाइम अनुसार वेलोसिटी चेंज, एठी डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम अनुसार डिस्प्लेसमेंट चेंज, दैट इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी, दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्सीलरेशन। ये होची डेरिवेटिव फॉर्म। ओके, वर्तमान आम कैलकुलस मेथड रे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने को बा डिराइव करने को डिड्यूस करने को हेले आमको जानिया पड़ो इंटीग्रेशन। एटा होची इंटीग्रेशन एप्लिकेशन, एलिमेंटारी इंटीग्रेशन। तार्थ केतोटी शॉर्ट फॉर्मूला में जानिबा काना सेकेंड ईयर रे तमर अछि इंटीग्रेशन। ये जो कैलकुलस मेथड रे भी हमको इंटीग्रेशन यूज करिया को पड़िबो। ओके, देखिबा देखो मु तमर नेची नंबर 1 इंटीग्रेशन चिन्ह इज लाइक दिस। एटा होची इंटीग्रेशन रो साइन x टू द पावर n, n is a constant 2 3 4 5 6 1 जहाँ भी हो। फंक्शन ऑफ x by dx यूज होची। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड टू फॉर्मूला x टू द पावर इज n, दैट इज कॉल्ड टू n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. ओके, here n is not equal to -1. Okay, this is the formula of integration. Next, what example आमे नबा x to the power 2 dx is equal to x to the power you see n plus 1, here 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to x to the power 3 by 3. Okay, next another one you see integration of c dx. You see this is called your function. Function सहित के function ना x ता सहित लागिची d, that is called your dx. किंतु एठी मु यूज करची इंटीग्रेशन कार बाहर करिवि ना कांस्टेंट रो, ताल कांस्टेंट रो इंटीग्रेशन इज इक्वल टू c बाहर को पळेबो, काइना कांस्टेंट रो इंटीग्रेशन हे परिबो नाही, सेटा साइड हे कि रहि जिवो, केवल फंक्शन रो इंटीग्रेशन हबो dx. dx रो इंटीग्रेशन you remember that is called your x, because you see d by dx of x is equal to 1, ताले डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x जदी 1 हला 1 रो इंटीग्रेशन हे जिवो x. ओके, that is called your cx. next, integration of cx square dx. You see c is constant, integration of x square dx, that is equal to c, x square is equal to x to the n formula, that is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to c x cube by 3. So if when a constant is multiplied with the function, to find integration take constant away, then x square dx is equal to your integration function, that is equal to x to the power n formula, x to the power n formula, that is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. You see this is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, so this is equal to c into x cube by 3. Next, integration of a 5 x cube suppose c 5 is constant. Next x cube dx, this is called 5 x cube plus 1, therefore 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, this is called 5 x to the power 4 by 4. This is another formula. So constant with a function multiply, then to find integration you take a constant outside, then function only integrate the function x cube, x square, x, suppose x. Okay, देखिबा integration of x dx, this is called to your x to the n formula, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is equal to x square by 2 plus c, like this. Your c is a constant. If you use definite integration, then c is not used. Okay, देखिबा आमे जिबा वर्तमान इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन को डिस्कशन करिया पई बा डिराइव करिया. इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज इक्वल टू v is equal to u plus at. Okay, so v is equal to u plus at. How to derive analytically or by calculus method? This is equal to u, this is equal to your v, this is position a, that is u is the initial velocity at a, v is the final velocity at b, and body is always in uniform acceleration. Another one is your time. You see a to b displacement, initial velocity v, u, final velocity v, time taken your t. This is called your general diagram to derive v is equal to u plus at by calculus method. You see, if you find v, you have to take what is, you see, this is called your dx, your integration dx, x. If you take dt, integration is t. If you take your dv, your integration what, v. In this method you use here. So this is called your v, means you write this is equal to dv, small velocity. ताल टाइम केते हिथिबो, small time. So u, this is equal to velocity initial, this is equal to final velocity. To find v is equal to u plus at, this is equal to v, means you have to use integration method. So in integration method, to get v you have to take dv. dv means small velocity. So small velocity, ताल time केते हिथिबो, small time. So dv and dt related, your formula is, first you write, consider a body moves on a straight line with uniform acceleration is as shown in figure. Okay, figure टा कौन तुमको मेंशन करिया पड़िबो. Then u is equal to, write, let कौन नहीं च तमे, u is equal to initial velocity, v is equal to your final velocity, t is equal to your time, a is equal to your uniform acceleration, okay. You mention, you see v is equal to u plus at, you have to write what is u, what is v, what is a, what is t, and the figure. Figure means straight line motion. Okay. Next we'll start to get integration method. In integration method, to get v you have to take dv in time your dt. So what is the relation between dv and dt? You know dv by dt is equal to acceleration. Okay, you cross multiply, dv is equal to a dt. This is called to small velocity between a and b. To get final velocity, you see final velocity, you integrate it. Integration of dv is equal to, you know, v. So to get final velocity, integrate both sides taking limit. limit कौन, velocity here is equal to u, velocity here is equal to v. So integration lower limit initial velocity final velocity dv is equal to, here you see small time, so limit is your time, this is equal to velocity, this is equal to limit your velocity. So time here is equal to t 0, here time is equal to t, so use 0 to t a dt. Okay, now you see dv integration is equal to your v, so dv integration v you write like this in square bracket, integration is over, then you write in square bracket below u, this is equal to v is equal to, a is constant, the function is t, so dt integration is equal to your t. If a constant is multiplied with a function, then you take outside, so a dt is equal to your t, then square bracket 0 to t. Okay, so this is called to, you use this upper limit, means in place of v you write v, minus low limit माने in place of v you write u is equal to a upper limit minus low limit. Okay, so this is equal to v minus u is equal to 80, or v is equal to u plus 80. In vector form you write velocity is vector, initial velocity is vector, acceleration is vector, t is a scalar. So this is equal to your derivation of a first equation of a motion in calculus method. Calculus method means you have to take a limit or derivative or integration. एठी आमे कौन यूज करले ना इंटीग्रेशन यूज करले. ओके, तेनु फिगर तुमको करिया पड़िबो लाइक दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन मोशन, कंसीडर लिखिया पड़िबो. सारा आसंत आलोचना करिवा कोन ए बॉडी मूव्स इन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन इज एज शोन इन फिगर. तापरे लेट नबा, लेट रे कोन नबा, यू केते, यू कोन ता ना कोन, v र ना कोन, a कोन, t कोन, देन दिस कंसीडर परे लेट हे गला. तापरे आमे आसीबा हमर एठी कोन आसीबार अछि, v आसीबार अछि, स्मॉल dv यूज करिवा. स्मॉल dv सहित हमर टाइम नउछि a टू b, वेलोसिटी एठी पहुंचीबा को स्मॉल टाइम dt, सो dv by dt यूज करले बिकॉज़ dv by dt इज एक्सीलरेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को हम जिबा. Second equation of a motion. Second equation of a motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square. In vector form you write vector. So this is called your displacement. So how to find in calculus method? Calculus method. Calculus method. Calculus method means your analytical you write analytical method, that is your integration method. Okay, similarly you take this is equal to your straight line motion, a position, this is equal to u is given, this is u means initial velocity, so here at a initial velocity u, this is called uniform acceleration, this is equal to a, this is equal to v is not given, so you leave it the v, or if you write this is equal to v also, but v is not given in equation, so time is t, a to b, and displacement a to b. Okay, so consider a body moves in uniform acceleration on a straight line is as shown in figure. Figure रे कौन कहूची ना गोटे बॉडी टे स्ट्रेट लाइन रे जाउची यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन, जेतेटा इक्वेशन तमर अछि इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन रे सब यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट को, लेट रे u इज इक्वल टू इनिशियल वेलोसिटी यू राइट, a इज इक्वल टू यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन यू राइट, t इज इक्वल टू टाइम यू राइट, then s is equal to displacement you write. ओके दिस इज ओवर योर व्हाट लेट एठी तमर इक्वेशन कोन कोन अछि s अछि u अछि t अछि t स्क्वायर अछि हाफ इज ए कांस्टेंट so you write in let form what is u a t s initial velocity acceleration time your displacement okay next s means integration of ds is equal to s okay so here we consider very small ds time is equal to your dt so ds is equal to small displacement in small time dt okay so ds by dt you know what is your velocity so v is equal to ds by dt cross multiply ds is equal to v dt but v is not there this integration is equal to s now left side is over but v is not there so you transfer to v you know v is equal to u plus 80 you see v is equal to u plus 80 ds is equal to u plus 80 dt okay now to get a total displacement integrate both sides taking limit integrate displacement here is equal to 0 displacement here is equal to s so 0 to s ds this is equal to time 0 to t u plus 80 dt okay this is equal to a limit value displacement 0 to s time value 0 to t u plus 80 in place of a v okay बुझी पारछ देखो तापरे ds रो इंटीग्रेशन योर s अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट 0 to s is equal to you take here plus your integration plus or minus you take a separate integration 0 to t u dt dt is multiplied with this plus 0 to t 80 dt okay so this is called upper limit minus lower limit upper limit means you put s in place of s minus 0 in place of s is equal to you take outside dt is equal to your t upper limit lower limit plus a is outside then this is equal to t dt you know t dt this is equal to t to the power 1 माने 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 this is equal to t square by 2 t dt integration t square by 2 okay and limit is 0 to t so s is equal to u upper limit minus lower limit plus a upper limit minus lower limit is 0 square by 2 this is equal to your ut t minus 0 is equal to t plus a this is equal to 0 square by 2 is equal to 0 so this is equal to t square by 2 this is equal to s or finally in vector form s is equal to ut plus half a t square this is called your second equation motion okay ए दुटा इक्वेशन बर्तमान तुम डिस्कसन कर देखो जदि किसी डाउट है पचार नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आमे सेकंड इक्वेशन दुटा कंसीडर करबा ओके थैंक यू।